To locate the IP address for the TR530 professional tracking camera, use the included remote control and press the menu button. This will bring up the on-screen display. Now select Camera, then drop down to DHCP. Make sure the DHCP is turned on. Now drop down to where it says Information, and in the information box you will see where it says IP address, and that will be the IP address that you will input in your browser on your desktop or laptop. Once you have input the IP address in the browser, you will be prompted for a password. The default password will be admin. Now log in. Now you have control for your desktop or laptop of your TR530 professional tracking camera.